Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something different to my hair. If you guys seen my last video, you've seen how I constructed this wig and how I did this custom color. But today I want to do something a little bit different to the hair. So this hair is in 24 inches, so it's quite long. And right now, I like how it looks. I like the sleek look, but it's not giving it to me. It's not giving it to me. So I want to change the look up a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to cut it right now. I do know that I want to cut it. So today's video is going to be very impromptu. I don't have anything planned out. I'm just going to take the scissors and a comb, and whatever we get is what we get. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure you click on the little bell below to get notified when I upload my tutorial. So without further ado, we're going to jump into today's hair tutorial. Alright you guys, so like I said, I have absolutely no idea how I'm cutting my hair today. So I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. One of the things I like to use when I'm cutting hair extensions is a razor. My favorite razor is this one. Don't judge me because it has hair in it. This is my favorite razor because I typically like to use this. It looks like a comb, so it's easy to use, so it's beginner friendly. And also I like it because it has two different sides. So depending on the final result that I'm looking for, it can give me two different results. So of course you see one that has finer teeth is going to look a little more soft. If you're looking for something to have like choppy layers, still a lot of movement but just a little more choppy, you would turn it around and you would go with this serrated side of the razor. So you can use this. This is my personal go-to, especially if I'm just kind of chopping it up. And I think today this is probably what I'm going to use because I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. If not, of course you can always use hair scissors. So like I said, we're just going to chop it up today, and I'm going to section off the back. So I'm just going to section it here. My wig is not like pinned down or sewn down or anything like that. And I'm literally just going to start cutting. Okay. I'm thinking maybe here is probably like a good length for me. See? Hair comes right off. Alright, it's off. Now I'm going to kind of over direct, which means I'm going to pull it back, and I'm going to do like the sliding technique, and that's just going to make sure that the hair is not as blunt. So pull it back just a tad. And if you notice, see the hair is not as blunt and it still has some movement. That's what I'm going for. So right now, this length, I think I'm liking it a little bit more. So I'm going to keep cutting. Alright you guys, what are we thinking? What are we thinking? Are we liking it? So now you can kind of see the shape is coming in a little bit. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm liking this length. What do you guys think? What are we thinking? So when I'm cutting my hair, I like to let the hair tell me how it's going to fall and how it's going to move. When you play with it a little bit, you see how You notice I'm still kind of going like this to see where it falls. And then like this hair here, it just falls right in this one little area. So for me, that's a little bit too heavy. So I know I'm going to go in and just add a little more layer. And because I'm doing it with this razor, I don't really have to section. I can just kind of slide it down. Okay. See? We're liking that. See, and all of this can be fixed a little bit later on, but for the most part I kind of got a guide of how I want the hairstyle to look, so I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. So you see right in here, I feel like it's a little too bulky. So I'm going to go in with the smaller teeth and kind of cut into here a little bit. Okay, now I'm happy. So I'm liking the length. I still like it straight. I was thinking about curling it, but I think I really just like it like this. And we're probably going to go ahead, I think I'm going to flat iron the hair, and I'll show you how I bump it. But so far I like the length. I am going to go back in and check it because again it is a unit and I want to make sure that the back and everything is straight. But for a rough cut, I'm liking the body and the movement. So the hair is still very soft. Remember, I bleached this and then I deposited this pink hair color. I'll have that tutorial listed in the description box, and all of the hair specifications, I also have those in the description box as well. This hair is courtesy of Virgin Hair Fixx. It was their Brazilian loose wave in 24 inches, but now it's in 12 inches. Okay, so let's go into flat ironing. I'm going to section off the hair the same way we did before. Nothing fancy. And for the bottom, I'm just going to bend it under. I'm not going to add any curl or any special technique, just a basic bump under. Just that. And for the next sections, I'm going to do the same exact thing. So that is about halfway up. Now I'm going to take this sections, instead of going horizontal, I'm going to go vertical. So instead of me sectioning this way, I'm going to section this way now. So longer sections going straight down. And because these sections are vertical, you're going to get a different look, and your sections won't, your hair won't be as tightly curled. So I'm just going to take it, bend my wrist a little bit, just like that, and throw it back. Now I know it's going to look kind of extra to throw the hair back like that, but trust me, in the styling process, because the hair is not cooled down, it's going to make a difference on how soft and how the hair moves. So just follow me a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing for another section. Remember, we're sectioning the hair vertically, so straight down, just like that. And my sections are about, I would probably say about 1 inch thick. Bend your wrist just a little bit, not too much, because you don't want the curl to be too tight. And just move it back. Well, okay. That didn't want to stay inside the hair clip. So that is the look we're going for today. I'm not going to comb it all out. I'm just going to let it set a little bit because the hair is still a little warm. When I say set, that means basically letting the hair cool down in the position that it's in. So I'm not going to comb it out yet. Let it set so until it cools down, and then we'll start to comb through it and play with it and all the good stuff. Alright guys, so the hair is all cut. As you can see the layers a little bit better now. And basically, when I cut my hair like this to add any layers to it, I just kind of play with it. Again, no hairspray, any of that. I want the hair to have some movement. And I am loving it right now. So basically, I just like to take my fingers and just pull the hair back just to play with it a little bit more. Depending on the look you're going for, you can kind of set it a little bit. But I just like to have like nice flowy hair, kind of soft. And I'm loving how it came out. And now you can see a lot more of the dimension and the colors that I put in from before in the last hair tutorial. They come out, or they stand out a little bit more because the hair is now cut and the hair moves a little bit more. So considering I didn't have anything planned for today's hair tutorial, I love the final result. I did want to cut it. I didn't know exactly how I wanted to cut it, but I do like the way that everything came out. Again, I love layers. It just has a lot more volume. Yeah. Cool beans. It's cool with me. Cool with me. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I know it was very impromptu, but I really wanted to do something new and different with my look. Again, I'll have all of the information on the hair as well as how I achieved this color listed in the description box. And also, again, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next hair tutorial.